Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist.
I know. This is an a Volvo S80. Looks pretty nice. She's looking pretty clean, if you ask me. Let me back up. I don't know why my camera's so focused in, but okay. She looks really nice. I have to be honest. Got a cracked. Oh, okay. So we got a cracked lens here. About to say it was clear when I was coming around. That's rare. Usually they're fogged out. This one's broken, which could have been some asshole breaking it after the fact, but it is what it is. Doesn't see any damages. Looks like it drives. Cracked windshield. 219,000 miles. Oh, it still has owner manuals and whatnot with it. Let's see when the manufacturer date is on it. Are there any stickers on it, or are they gone? Looks like they're gone. Alright. Have to look and see what year it is. I'll check the VIN. Alright guys, so stay tuned. I got a couple of exotic car videos coming for you guys as well soon from the auction. And a couple other rebuilds. If you want to see more cars or potential cars that I'm going to pick up and flip, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and let me know.